Today in online classes we will study quadratic equation. This is the chapter number 4, quadratic equation. In Hindi it is called द्विघात समीकरण. Before studying this chapter, we have to understand what is quadratic equation. First of all, we have to know what is quadratic equation. So you can see here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. As you know, equation has two sides. First is left side, that is called LHS, and second is right side, that is called RHS. बाईं तरफ वाले को LHS कहते हैं और दाईं तरफ वाले को RHS कहते हैं. तो ये जो इक्वेशन है ये एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी बराबर 0, इसका यह द्विघात समीकरण है, दैट मीन्स क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. The equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is called quadratic equation. Can you say what is the power of variable in this equation? Here the variable is x. So maximum power is 2. So it is called quadratic equation. If we have to check is this equation is quadratic, yes or no, then you can check by this pattern. If the equation will be in the pattern ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we can say this is a quadratic equation. Suppose that some example I am writing here. First is 25x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, because here power of variable is 2, maximum power. So you can write yes, it is quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation because it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And second example, x cube plus 5x square plus 4x equal to 0. Can you say is this equation is quadratic equation? No, this is no quadratic equation because here the power of variable which is maximum is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. So you can write no, it is not a quadratic equation because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you can see here again, if the equation will be in the form suppose that 25x square, it means a equal to 25 and x square is same, and b coefficient of x is 5 and here is 3, that means constant term is 3. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, so it is called quadratic equation. And here it is the variable x and maximum power is 3, but we are knowing that if power will be 2, then it will be quadratic equation. Here power is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Now we will study about the root of quadratic equation. A root, it means the value of variable which satisfy the equation. It means x या y जो वेरिएबल है उसका वैल्यू पुट करने पर वो उस समीकरण को संतुष्ट कर दे, फुलफिल कर दे, तो वो उसका रूट कहलाता है. रूट इट मीन्स हल कहलाता है. सपोज दैट वी हैव टू चेक question is check that 2 is root of x square minus 4x and two is root of x square minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. We have to check is this 2 is root of this equation. For it LHS, we can take LHS is this x square minus 4x plus 12. So when x equal to 2, we can put here x equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 12. It means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 12. You can add plus 12 and 4, 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Now here RHS is 0, so you can write LHS is not equal to 0. LHS is not equal to RHS, so 2 is not solution of equation. Again we have to check root 2 is root of the equation this. We can put the value of x equal to 2. Here the solution LHS is equal to 8. Now we can see in the RHS there is 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. 2 is not solution of equation. Okay, thanks.